guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda Renee, and in this video we'll be doing a braid out using the Camille Rose Guava Slip Whipped Souffle Styler. So if you're interested in seeing those braid out results, keep on watching. Now I already have my hair sectioned with my side part because I just find that those parts are fitting for my face shape. And what I'm going to do is start off in the back. This isn't really a tutorial, I'm really just showing the installation of the braids. They're not going to be too big or too small because I want to be in and out as quickly as possible. I already put leave-in conditioner in my hair, which I will put on the screen. And now I'm going to just quickly do the 3 or so braids in the back. So as I said, not really small or big, just medium sized. And as I said, I'm going to do 3 of them in the back. So my hair is damp, but I'm just going to wet it just a little bit more. Nothing too extravagant. Then I'm going to go in with the Souffle Styler. If this is your first video that you're coming across with me using the Souffle Styler, I'll show you the consistency. This is what it looks like. And this is the consistency of it. It's really nice and really creamy. So I'm just going to take this much since it's a medium-sized section, and I find that it works a lot better on damp hair or wet hair rather than fully dry hair. So definitely keep that in mind when you're using the Souffle Styler. And as you're seeing, it's just melting into my curls, and it's starting to clump my curls a little bit, but I am not really expecting this to be good for a wash and go, only unless it's paired with a mousse or a gel. Camille Rose has said that this is great for twists, braids, and finger coils, but I want to see how it will work on a braid out. If this works well on a braid out, then I will do another video showing a twist out as well. So I will just be seeing whether this product really works for a braid out. It did for me the last time, but since I didn't film it, I really want to document this so that it's not just my word against anybody else's. There is actual proof. So I'm just twisting the ends just because I don't want to spend a lot of time unraveling. That's how I usually do my braids. The majority is the braid. It's not a tweed out where it's a half braid and a half twist, but I'm really just twisting the end just so that it's a little easier to unravel. I will continue with the rest, then I will do the rest of my hair off camera, then I'll come back when it is time to unravel my hair. Alright, y'all, so here are the braids installed. I will leave these in for about 2 to 3 days just to one, give my hair a little break, and two, to ensure that the curls set in place. So we'll see how the Guava Slip whipped souffle styler works for a braid out. So I'll be back when it's time to take these braids down. Alrighty, y'all, so this is day 3 of these braids, and as I said, I've given my hair a little rest, and now it's time to unravel these braids. I would really love for you to see this braid out come to life. So what I'm going to do is just unravel without any oil. You should know this by now if you're an old subscriber, but if you are just tuning in, I don't unravel with oil, especially since the products that I use contain oil already, so it doesn't make sense for me to add more oil because it will just prevent my hair from keeping the curl as long as possible, and also it would just let the oil sit down on my hair, which really and truly is not a good feeling whatsoever. So I'm unraveling, and as you're seeing, it's coming to life really well. So then here's the first braid out pattern. That is what I will do for the rest of my hair. Then I'll be back to show the finished results. Alrighty, y'all, so here are the braid out results. To say that this product wowed me again would be an understatement. It was the same feeling I felt the first time around using this product, and I expect this to last for the rest of the week. I really like the results, and based on my first time using the product and the results that I had afterwards, I really expect this to last the rest of the week without losing too much or a lot of definition. And with that being said, I am giving this a 9 out of 10. This is very perfect for a braid out. If you would like to see how it looks on a twist out, definitely comment down below 2 pink hearts so that I know whether to film that video or not. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, definitely leave a like and subscribe for more natural hair content, and I will see you in my next one.